Hello and welcome to Shar's Craft Haven. Today we're unboxing the auto feed for the xTool P2 55W CO2 machine, and also there's another little extension kit that I'm also going to be unboxing. You can do great lengths with just the auto feed itself, but if you're wanting to do super big things, then you're going to need to get one or more of the extension kits. Let's get to it. The manual, really well packaged. Everything has a custom foam insert, a couple of the rails, rod in here. So here we go. It is super chunky, very solid connection. Make sure to get deep in there. Heavy duty metal clips. Underneath it we have two more conveyor rails. Make sure not to discard making sure everything is out of it. All right, that's the unboxing of the auto feed. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the auto feed. For more P2 videos, click the P2 playlist. To support me on Patreon and continue this channel, click on the other link. And as always, have fun lasering.